Stuart Charles Glyndwr MacGill is an Australian former cricketer who played 44 Test matches and 3 one-day internationals for the Australian national cricket team. He is a right-arm leg spin bowler who has been credited with having the best strike rate of any modern leg spin bowler, but he did not have a regular place in the Australian Test team due to the dominance of Shane Warne in the position of sole spinner. His bowling was slightly slower through the air than Warne's, but he was a prodigious turner of the ball. In domestic cricket, he played for Western Australia, New South Wales, Nottinghamshire, Devon, and Somerset. He was brought back in 2007 after the retirement of Warne as spinner for the first Test against the Sri Lankan cricket team. He announced his retirement from international cricket during the second Test of Australia's 2008 tour of the West Indies. Moving into commentary, MacGill co-hosted the 2009 Ashes series on SBS with Damien Martin and Greg Matthews. MacGill was a radio co-host on the Triple M Sydney breakfast program The Grill Team, 2009-2010. MacGill was born in the Perth suburb of Mount Lawley and began his first-class career in the 1993-94 season playing for Western Australia. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.